Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, first graders. Today we are doing lesson 111, 111 of the Saxon Phonics first grade program. So I want to start with a vowel song. I've never tried this on a camera, but we're going to try it together, okay? So my favorite vowel song is where you go through the vowels first and then you go through the consonants. Now the vowel part is pretty easy because all you have to do is name the vowels like this. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The rest are consonants. Okay, that's the easy part because all you have to do is name the vowels a few times. Then you actually have to name the consonants. And what I want to try doing, I'll hold up this alphabet strip so you can see, and we're going to sing the consonant part of the song. And your job, because I have to hold it, I can't point, your job is going to be to skip every single vowel and just sing the consonants like this. B, C, D, F, G, H. Do you see how that works? Okay, so let's try it. We'll start. The rest are consonants, and then we'll sing just the consonants. Ready? The rest are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. What? Oh, that's like super tricky. Nice job. Okay, let's do that whole song together. I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to explain it. I just want to go through it because this is really, really important to know today, the vowels versus the consonants. It's really important that you know the difference. So we're going to start. The vowels are A, and we'll go through the whole song without me stopping this time. Ready? The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The rest are consonants. Keep going. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice job. Okay, just keep that in the back of your mind for a minute. We'll come back to that later. We're coming right now to our letter cards, starting on G. Will you say them with me? Ready? G, digraph PH, digraph EY, digraph OA, digraph AU, digraph AW, diphthong OU, diphthong digraph OW, combination ER, vowel Y, digraph UE, combination UR, digraph EA, diphthong OI, diphthong OY, digraph CH, combination OR, combination AR, final syllable TION, combination IRG. Nice work. Okay, we're ready then for our picture deck where we say the sounds. The one we just learned most recently, remember giraffe, J. Will you do it with me? Ready? Giraffe, J. Phone, F. Key, E. Soap, O. Wah. Can you do faucet? Ready? Faucet, ah. Straw, ah. Mouse, ow. Cow, ow. Butter, star, r. Cry, I. Candy, e. Horse, or. Bird, turtle, lotion, shun. Circle, s. Bow, o. Leaf, e. Thread, steak, a. Banana, oil, oi. Toy, oi. Glue, oo. Giraffe, j. You got it. Okay, now we're going to come to our suffix cards. I'm mixing them up. And will you start with me on suffix ness? Ready? Suffix ness, suffix e, suffix less, suffix t, d, ed, suffix ing, suffix li, suffix s, z, suffix es, suffix ness. You got it. Okay, while I have these out, what I want you to do is learn the difference between a vowel suffix and a consonant suffix. You might already know this, and if you do, that's okay. It just means you'll be really good at it. But how we tell the difference between a vowel suffix or a consonant suffix is we have to look at the first letter of the suffix. And if it's a vowel, A-E-I-O-U, then the whole thing is a vowel suffix. But if it starts with a consonant, all the other letters, then the whole thing is a consonant suffix, okay? So I want you just to go through these with me, and will you just show me thumbs up, thumbs down, is this a vowel suffix, okay? Ready? Suffix ness starts with N. Thumbs down, N is a consonant, good. Suffix E. Sometimes kids say thumbs down on this one, but it's actually thumbs up because vowel Y here makes a vowel sound, like in the word sleep, E, E, E. If it says the E sound, it's making a vowel sound, it's a vowel suffix. Okay, next one, suffix less, thumbs up or down. Good, thumbs down, because L is a consonant. Suffix t, d, ed, vowel or consonant. Thumbs up, that's a vowel suffix. It starts with a vowel, good. Suffix ing, thumbs up or down. Thumbs up, it starts with a vowel, good. Suffix li. Thumbs down, you're right, because L is a consonant. Okay, suffix s, z. Thumbs down, of course it's a consonant suffix. It's the only consonant letter there. Last one, suffix es. Thumbs up, good, because E is a vowel. So the whole thing is a vowel suffix. Good, good, good. Let's put those away. I'm glad you know that because you're going to need to know it later in the lesson. And what I want to do now is tell you something that happened with my daughter Isabel. My daughter Isabel, when she was in first grade, saw this word, the word sitting, in one of her books. And she brought it to me and she was a little bit concerned. And she said, "Mom, I have a question." And I said, "Okay." And she said, "I just found the word sitting in my book. And if you cover up suffix ing, it leaves the root word sit, S-I-T-T. And she said, "But T isn't a floss letter because the floss letters, you can say them with me if you remember them, the floss letters are F-F, L-L, S-S. F-F-L-L-S-S. T-T?" So she said, "Why is there two T's in that word? Is it just because the person who wrote it, that was their favorite letter?" And I said, "No, it's not. This is actually something called the doubling rule." Will you say that with me? It's called the doubling rule. You got it. Let me show you how the doubling rule works. And then I'll come back to the word sitting. Up here, I have the word shop plus suffix t, d, ed. Well, you might also notice that I have some boxes above these two words. The boxes are really important because they help me know how I'm going to spell this word. So the first thing I do is I check and see, in my root word, does my root word end with a vowel and a consonant? Are the last two letters in that root word a vowel and a consonant? Well, let's look. You know what? I'm going to write the vowels up here so I don't forget them. Let's just do that really fast. Will you say them with me as I write them, starting A? Ready? The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, that'll just help me keep them straight. Is the root word a vowel consonant at the end? Well, O is a vowel, P P, of course, is a consonant, so guess what? I give that word a check, because that's a vowel, that's a consonant. Then I come over here to suffix t, d, ed, and I say to myself, is that a vowel suffix? Well, it starts with an E. E is a vowel, so the answer is yes, and I give it a check. Once I have 2 check marks, it changes how I spell the word. Will you watch as I write the word shocked? And will you see if you can figure out which letter I'm going to change? Ready? Shop plus t, d, ed equals shopped. And I'm going to spell it like this. Thumbs up as soon as you see what letter I'm changing. Let's see. S, H, are you watching? O, P, P, E, D. Oh, did you see it? The letter that I doubled, tell me if you know it, was the letter P. You got it. I doubled the letter P. And the reason for that is because I had 2 check marks. I made up a little chant though, because for me it's kind of tricky to remember when you're supposed to double it and when you're not. So let me tell you my little chant that helps me remember this. It goes like this. If a root word ends in a vowel consonant, just like shop, and comes in front of a vowel suffix, you double the consonant, you double the consonant. And I kind of like to do it with my sign language. You might already know that V is vowel, C is consonant. Okay, so when I do it, I like to do it like this. And this hand over here is for my root word, this hand over here is for my suffix, okay? So I go like this. If a root word ends in a vowel consonant, and you have to keep the vowel and consonant over here in the root word all together, okay? If a root word ends in a vowel consonant and comes in front of a vowel suffix, you double the consonant, you double the consonant. That's my favorite part because I love to take my consonants and show that they're doubled, and they like to do a little dance. Can we try it together? Starting if a root word ends. Ready? If a root word ends in a vowel consonant and comes in front of a vowel suffix, you double the consonant, you double the consonant. Nice job. Okay. Let's come down here and let's do it with one more word. This is run plus E equals runny, like you have a runny nose. So let's check and see, does the root word end in a vowel consonant? Well, I say to myself, U is a vowel, N is a consonant, so I'm going to give it a check. Then I say, vowel Y says E, 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 run E is a vowel suffix, so I give it a check. And I think you know, if a root word, just say it with me, if a root word ends in a vowel consonant and comes in front of a vowel suffix, you double the consonant, double the consonant. So I'm going to double this letter N, the consonant that was in my root word, run, okay? If you think you know how to spell it, will you do it with me starting on R and just tell me the letters for runny? Starting R, ready? R, U, N, N, Y. Run plus E equals runny, you got it. And that is the doubling rule. So when Isabel saw the word sitting and she was kind of upset, Mom, why did they use 2 T's? Is it because it's their favorite letter? No, it's because the root word sit used to be spelled with just a vowel consonant, I-N-T, and it came in front of vowel suffix I, so So they doubled the consonant. Doubled the consonant. Really, this was just trying to follow the rules. It wasn't being a naughty word. Okay, here's what I want to do. I want to do a little bit of practice on whiteboards. If you have a whiteboard, you can get it out. If not, of course, you can just do it on a piece of paper. But let's do some of these together so that you can practice with it. Okay, here's what we will do. You're going to have to be really good at writing kind of small. And we're going to start up here on the top half of our board or paper, whatever you have, and leave yourself some room to make some little boxes like I did, okay? So first word, we're going to spell run. Will you do it with me? R-U-N. And will you do me a favor? Put a little box above it, because that's where we'll do our checking, okay? Plus, will you scoot over then and write suffix ing, I-N-G. Same thing, will you put a little box above it? So we have run plus ing equals, and don't do anything yet, let's just check. Does the root word end in a vowel consonant? Is U a vowel and a consonant? Yeah, give it a check. Is ing a vowel suffix? Well, it starts with a vowel, so the answer is yes. Give it a check. You know what? Actually, circle for me if you know which letter are we going to double since we have two checks. Will you just circle it on your board or your paper? Good. A lot of kids went like this and circled the letter N. Okay. Can we spell running then down here? Run plus ing equals R-U. Are you writing it? Ooh. Okay, if you got all those letters, will you tell me all the letters that you spelled? Running is spelled, ready? R-U-N-N-I-N-G. We used the doubling rule. Nice job. Erase, erase. Okay, let's try another one. Can we do first word, stop? Will you spell S-T-O-P? And give it a little box. Plus suffix t-d-ed. Because I want it to say stopped. Okay, let's try it. Does the root word end in a vowel consonant? O is a vowel, P is a consonant, give it a check. Is ed a vowel suffix? It starts with a vowel, give it a check. Do you know what to do? Okay, spell stopped down here. I'm going to check it with you in just a few seconds and see how you did. Spell it all by yourself. Go. Okay, ready? Let's check it. Will you tell me how you spelled stopped? Tell me the letters. Ready? S-T-O-P-P-E-D. Woo! Nice job. If you got the double consonant P's. Good work on that. Okay, erase, erase. And let's try this one. This is one of my favorite words. Ready? First root word, fun. F-U-N. And of course we have our box. Fun plus vowel Y. It says E-E-E, fun plus E equals funny. Okay, I'm going to let you check it all by yourself. Check and see vowel consonant, vowel suffix, and how do you spell it. Ready, go. How'd you do? Did you get it? Did you get it? Okay, let's talk about it. Root word ends in a vowel consonant. Check. E is a vowel suffix, vowel Y. Spell funny for me if you got it starting F. Ready? F, U, N, N, Y. Fun plus E equals funny. Nice job, you got it. Before we erase this one or go to the next word, can you see if you remember our chant starting if a root word ends? Ready? If a root word ends in a vowel consonant and comes in front of a vowel suffix, you double the consonant. You double the consonant. Got it. Okay, erase, erase. Let's try a little bit harder one. Maybe write a little bit smaller, leave a little bit more room on your board or your paper. First letter, S, T, O, M, P, root word, stomp, plus suffix, ing, I-N-G. Okay, got our boxes. Equals, let's check it. Ready? Does the root word end in a vowel consonant? Sometimes kids like to go, give it a check, because they love making check marks in the boxes. But the answer is no. M is not a vowel. A-E-I-O-U-M? No, so we don't give it a check. Is ing a vowel suffix? Yes, it starts with a vowel, give it a check. But watch what happens when we spell it now. Stomping, since we only have one check mark, does not change. Stomping is just going to be S-T-O-M-P-I-N-G. And sometimes kids get upset and they say, but Miss Smith, I like when we double the consonant. I wanted to put 2-letter P's. You might like it, but that would be wrong, because we only double the consonant if the root word ends in a vowel consonant. Erase, erase. Let's try another tricky one. Ready? Root word, hat. Plus suffix, less. Hat plus less equals, I want it to say, hatless. Like, I don't have a hat. Okay, let's check it. Does the root word end in a vowel consonant? Well, A is a vowel, T is a consonant. Yes, give it a check, finally. Is less a vowel suffix? I think no, because L is a consonant, right? So give it a check. The answer is no, I don't give it a check. And if I only have one check, remember, you have to leave it alone. Can you do that with me? You have to leave it alone. Will you spell hatless the right way? And then I'll check it with you. Ready, go. Okay, let's check it. Will you tell me the letters that you put in hatless? How did you spell it? Starting H. Ready? H-A-T-L-E-S-S. Ding, ding, ding. Nice job. We didn't double anything. We didn't change anything. We just scooted the root word and suffix together. Erase, erase. Let's do one more, and this time I'm not going to help you. Are you scared? Okay, root word is rip. Plus suffix t-d-ed, suffix ed. Will you make it say ripped? Ripped. Go. Okay, tell me, how did you spell ripped? I hope you noticed. I is a vowel, P is a consonant, give it a check. ED is a vowel suffix, give it a check. Spell the letters for me in ripped, starting R. Ready? R, I, P, P, E, D. Ding, 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 ding. Nice work. Okay, erase, erase, or put your paper away, whatever you're using. And I want to show you something that I made for you. And you're gonna say, but Miss Smith, that's so nice that you made us something. I know. Here it is. It looks like this, and it says doubling rule. And it's written like this to remind us, if a root word ends in a vowel consonant, like sit, and comes in front of a vowel suffix, can you see how that first letter is red for a vowel? You double the consonant, you double the consonant. So sit plus ing equals sitting. Same thing here. Shop ends in a vowel consonant. Comes in front of a vowel suffix, so I doubled the consonant. I doubled the consonant. Run plus E equals runny with a doubled consonant. So I'm going to put this, you know what I just realized I would like to do? I think it would be easier if I actually put on here a little V and C for the root word ends in a vowel consonant. I think I'll do that on shop and run too, so that I remember the root word has to end in a vowel and then a consonant in order to work. So we'll do it just like that. And then I'll put this sign up, I'll add it to our spelling signs so we can use it to help us. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this skiwampus worksheet. That's crazy. Okay, and here's what I want to have happen. I'm going to erase the board. While I do that, what I want you to do is come to this first box that you can't really see very well because it's covered by the board stuff. Come to this first box, and all I want you to do is check. Do the words end in a vowel consonant, the root words. Put a check by every single word right here in this first box that ends in a vowel consonant. Go. Okay, how'd you do? Did you get it? How about, let's do this. I'll check it and you see if you got it right. Will you check it with me? Rub, vowel consonant, yes. Maybe you can just say either yes or no. Can we do that? Go downstairs, clap, yes or no, yes. Shut, yes or no, yes. Bat, yes or no, yes. Line, yes or no? Uh-oh, that's actually a consonant vowel, because N is a consonant, E is a vowel, so guess what? No, leave it alone. Go upstairs. Thorn, yes or no? No. Sing, yes or no? No. Check, yes or no? No. Plan, yes or no? Yes. Crash, yes or no? No. Okay. Come over here. We haven't actually learned all of these suffixes yet, but will you just quick put a check by every single one that's a vowel suffix? Remember, if it starts with a vowel, it's a vowel suffix. Go. Okay, ready? Same thing. Will you just tell me yes or no if it's a vowel suffix? Ready? As? Yep. Less? Actually, you know what would be more fun? Let's do this. If it is a vowel suffix, say ding, ding, ding. If not, say eh. Okay, suffix s, ding, ding, ding. Suffix less, eh. Suffix li, eh. Suffix s, eh. Suffix ness, eh. Go upstairs. Suffix e, ding, ding, ding. Suffix full, eh. Suffix ing, ding, ding, ding. Suffix t, ed, ding, ding, ding. Suffix Ding, ding, ding. Okay, that part was the easy part. Now what we're going to do is come to our worksheet and we're going to practice it. So here's what I want us to do. Be so careful with this first one. Does the root word end in a vowel consonant? A lot of kids say yes because O is a vowel, K is a consonant. But look what we have here. This is actually digraph OO in root word cook. And our rule doesn't say if a root word ends in a digraph consonant, so guess what? That one does not count. Do not give it a check. But is ing a vowel suffix? Yeah, we could give that a check. But when we spell cooking, guess what? We're not going to change anything because we don't have two checks. Will you spell cooking the right way? Go. Okay, tell me, how did you spell cooking? Will you spell it for me, starting C? Ready? C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Oh, good. I'm glad you didn't double the K. Go downstairs. Sweet plus ness equals sweetness. Does it end in a vowel consonant? I hope you said no, because look, digraph E-E. So do we give it a check? The answer is no. Is ness a vowel suffix? Big time no. So actually, guess what? We don't have any checks. We don't change anything. Why am I telling you? You spell it. Spell it the right way. Sweetness. Go. Okay, will you spell it for me? Tell me the letters you used for sweetness, starting S. Ready? S, W, E, E, T, N, E, S, S. Nice job. Okay, pat plus ed equals patted. Will you do that one by yourself? Go. Okay, ready? Vowel consonant, check. Vowel suffix, check. Will you tell me how to spell patted? Ready? P-A-T-T-E-D. Nice job. Bad plus ly equals badly. All by yourself. Go. Okay, will you check it with me? Bad ends in a vowel consonant. Yes, give it a check. Is ly a vowel suffix? No, so I don't give it anything. And when I spell it, will you just spell it for me? Ready? B-A-D-L-Y. I didn't change anything. Nice job. We don't normally do the back side of this worksheet in these videos, but I think this is fantastic practice. So as soon as we're done here, guess what? I would love for you to turn it over and do that part all by yourself and let someone check it. Okay, your ticket to being able to put this away is to do the doubling rule chant with me one more time, okay? Starting if a root word. Do you still remember it? You're gonna get your root word out? Okay, ready? If a root word ends in a vowel consonant and comes in front of a vowel suffix, you double the consonant. You double the consonant. Nice job. Okay, I'll see you next time. Ciao.